Tired of those annoying nighttime coughs keeping you awake? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's how to stop nighttime coughing. First, elevate your head using extra pillows to help drain mucus and reduce coughing. Next, sip on warm water or herbal tea to soothe your throat and calm the cough. Use a humidifier to maintain moisture in the air, which can help relieve coughing. Apply vapor rub on your chest to help open up your airways and reduce coughing. Finally, avoid irritants like smoke and dust by keeping your bedroom clean. With these simple tips, you can enjoy a peaceful, cough-free night.